Hi, this is Luke from Toyota Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Toyota Corolla, stock number 6238. This ran from the 4th 2015 to the 6th 2019. It has a 2 ZREV 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2 ZREV 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch fixed alloy mag tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 16-inch fixed alloy mag tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 16-inch fixed alloy mag tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,